Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn Fast, Speak Confidently, where learning English is easy, friendly, and always fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. So happy to be here again. Hey, Emily, how are you today?
I'm feeling amazing and super excited for today's topic. You look happy too.
Oh, I am. Today's topic is one of my favorites. Almost everyone wants to talk about their hobbies in English.
Absolutely. But before we start, everyone listening, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
All right, Emily, ready to dive in?
Let's go. So, Paul, tell me about today's topic.
Yes. Today we're talking about hobbies, the things we love to do in our free time.
Exactly. People ask this question in school, at new jobs, or even when making new friends.
And sometimes we don't know what to say. It can be tricky.
Yes, but today we'll make it easy, simple, and fun.
Paul, let's start with you. Tell me about your hobbies.
Okay, I love playing soccer and listening to music.
Nice. Soccer is fun. What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy rock and pop music. Sometimes I play the guitar too.
Wow, multi-talented. I love reading books and painting in my free time.
Amazing. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly adventure and mystery stories. They keep me excited.
Sounds thrilling. So, friends, see how we naturally talk about our hobbies? Just name your hobby plus short detail.
Let's make it more fun. What's your favorite hobby ever?
Playing soccer. You.
Painting. It relaxes me.
Favorite food while doing hobbies?
Chocolate. Always chocolate.
I'd say pizza. Works every time.
Favorite color for hobbies? Like painting or decorating your space?
Blue. Calm and cool.
Green. Like nature. Perfect for relaxing.
Favorite weekend hobby?
Reading novels and taking long walks. You?
Soccer games with friends and listening to new music.
Hobby you tried but didn't enjoy?
Cooking. I burn everything.
I tried knitting. Not for me.
Same. Some hobbies are harder than they look.
Hi, my name is Paul. I like soccer, music, and playing guitar. My favorite food is pizza. I don't like cooking.
Hello, I'm Emily. I love painting and reading adventure books. My favorite food is chocolate. I don't like knitting.
See? Easy, friendly, natural?
Now it's your turn. Write in the comments 1 to 2 sentences about your hobbies. My name is Anna. I like swimming and painting. I love pizza.
We can't wait to read your answers.
Thank you all for listening. You are amazing.
Don't forget to subscribe to Learn Fast, Speak Confidently, give us a big like, and share this episode with your friends.
Keep smiling, keep practicing, and see you in the next